Podcast script, Museum of the Future, Gateway to Tomorrow. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are embarking on a journey to a place where science, art, imagination, and innovation come together in the most extraordinary way. Welcome to the Museum of the Future in Dubai, one of the most advanced and visually stunning museums in the world. A place where the line between reality and fiction is blurred, and the future beautifully blurs. Vision and philosophy. The Museum of the Future is a bold, visionary project that represents Dubai's commitment to innovation, creativity, and forward thinking. Its primary purpose is to showcase humanity's journey toward progress and to explore the challenges and opportunities of the world to come. From artificial intelligence and robotics to space exploration, renewable energy, and sustainable living, the museum brings it all together. It is not just a museum. It is a center for inspiration and education, encouraging visitors to think critically and creatively about the future. Architecture. The building itself is a masterpiece of engineering and design. Shaped as a hollow elliptical torus, it seems to emerge directly from the future, symbolizing infinity, creativity, and innovation. Rising approximately 77 meters, the exterior is covered in intricate Arabic calligraphy, displaying inspiring quotes about science, technology, and the future. These inscriptions are not merely decorative. They convey the museum's philosophy. The future is being created now, and everyone can be part of it. The structure uses advanced engineering techniques, including self-healing concrete, suspended structural systems, and state-of-the-art HVAC and lighting technologies, making it a global benchmark in architecture and engineering. Visitor experience inside. The museum offers an immersive, interactive, and multisensory experience. Visitors engage with virtual reality, AI-driven simulations, and interactive exhibitions, experiencing the future firsthand. Each floor of the museum focuses on a different theme: artificial intelligence and robotics. Interact with robots and observe advanced algorithms in action. Space exploration and advanced technologies. Explore interactive exhibits about Mars, space travel, and futuristic technologies. Environment and sustainability. Discover how innovation can protect the planet and manage natural resources responsibly. Human society and the future. Reflect on ethical, social, and cultural challenges and how today's decisions shape tomorrow. Every experience is designed to make visitors feel as if they are living in the future rather than just observing it. Technology and innovation. The museum integrates cutting-edge technologies, including AI, augmented reality, 3D printing, and robotics. These technologies not only educate and entertain, but also engage visitors in creative thinking and problem-solving. At every moment, you feel immersed in the possibilities of tomorrow, witnessing innovation in action. Global significance opened in 2022, the Museum of the Future quickly became a symbol of modern Dubai and global architectural innovation. It is not just a tourist destination, but also a hub for research, innovation, and education, attracting scientists, engineers, and students from around the world. Visiting the museum changes perspectives, inspiring creativity, critical thinking, and visionary ideas for shaping a better future. Symbolism and philosophy. The Museum of the Future is more than a building. It is a symbol of dreams, creativity, hope, and thinking beyond the present. Every curve, every inscription, and every technological feature conveys the truth that the future belongs to those who dare to imagine and innovate. Visitors leave empowered, inspired to contribute to building a creative, sustainable, and advanced future. Conclusion. Stepping into the Museum of the Future is like entering a world where history, science, art, and imagination are intertwined. It reflects human progress while sending a message of hope, innovation, and responsibility for future generations. Here, the present and the future converge, taking every visitor on a mind-expanding, unforgettable journey. This is the Museum of the Future in Dubai, a place where imagination, technology, and art join hands to push the boundaries of possibility and show us what tomorrow can truly look like.